Music. Welcome to a review of Betterment, the Robo advisor for effortless investing. Find platform links below. Betterment simplifies investing with smart, automated, and personalized financial management. Whether you're a beginner or prefer hands-off investing, Betterment offers features tailored to your goals. Its core strength is automated investing using low-cost, diversified ETFs. Employing modern portfolio theory, it optimizes returns while managing risk. Your portfolio is automatically rebalanced, and tax loss harvesting maximizes returns in taxable accounts. This automation appeals to investors lacking the time or expertise for active management. Betterment creates tailored financial plans for goals like retirement, wealth building, or major expenses. Its intuitive interface allows for quick goal-based investing and ongoing recommendations. Smart Deposit automatically invests extra cash, while Retire Guide projects your retirement needs and strategies. Account options include individual, joint, trust, and IRA accounts. Betterment Premium offers access to certified financial planners for personalized advice, all while maintaining a low-cost structure. Fees are 0.25% annually for the digital plan and 0.4% for premium, competitive within the robo-advisor market. Who is Betterment for? It's perfect for those seeking automated wealth growth without market complexities. It suits tech-savvy individuals who value tools and insights to achieve financial goals. Betterment is a user-friendly, cost-effective investment platform. For more details, check the links below.